day everyone. Greetings of peace and sustainable development. My name is Alhamid K. Abbas and I am currently a second year college taking the Bachelor of Public Administration student. It is a pleasure to meet you all, to meet all of you. If I were to describe my communication style, I would say that I am a good listener. I prefer to understand other people's ideas before sharing my own. I may be a little quiet at first, especially when I am in a new environment, but once I become comfortable, I enjoy participating in discussion and working with others. I always try to communicate with respect, honesty, and kindness. One communication challenge I have experienced is speaking in front of a crowded people, especially when I speak English. Sometimes I become nervous because I'm afraid to bash and it makes it difficult for me to express my thoughts clearly. However, I believe that every opportunity to speak helps me improve my confidence and communication skills. I believe that effective communication is important because it helps us express our ideas clearly, avoid misunderstandings, and building strong relationships with others. Academically, it will help me participate in class discussions, group activities, and presentations. Personally, it will help me become more confident and improve my relationship with family and friends in my future career in public administration. Effective communication will allow me to work professionally with different people, provide better public service, and become a responsible and effective public servant. Thank you, and I am excited to learn this with all of you this semester.